Hi guys, this is the reading of our Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, tignan na natin kung anong meron sa ating mga Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. And then guys, if you want a personal reading, you can just direct message me here in my Facebook account and then ask my admin team for the pricing of the personal reading guys, okay? Yes, may bayad po ang pagpapa-personal reading. Okay po. At ayun lang po, proceed na po tayo sa ating mga Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Let's see what's up right now with our Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay. I have here from the bottom of the deck is the Ace of Wands. There will be a fresh new start, a new beginning. Okay. I have here the 3. Ito yung bottom of the deck ninyo, Earth sign, okay? The Ace of Wands, okay, the fresh new start, the new beginning, the good news, okay? Then I have here the 7 of Wands, the Emperor, and the Queen of Wands, okay. The 7 of Wands is trying, you are now trying, Earth sign, to build a trust in you. Okay. Kumbaga, andito yung naggagawa ka rin ng isang strength, nagbibuild ka ng strength para sa'yo. Okay? To fight, to establish, okay, your rights to the other people. Kasi as I can see here, many people out there is judging you right now. Okay? Many people out there is criticizing you for somewhat reason. Okay? This is the past energy of yours. This is the first card I have here. Ito yon. Okay? Kasi many people is really criticizing you, okay, with the 7 of Wands. But then, this is the past energy. Nakita ko naman na nagtagumpay ka, okay? Nakita kong nagtagumpay ka with the 7 of Wands here. Kasi, I have here from the current situation is the Emperor, okay? Ito si The Emperor, ito na yung na fully buff na niya. When we say buff, kumbaga nabuo na niya yung strength, yung lakas niya. From the past energy, from the past event na, na naranasan niya before. Okay, kumbaga na fully build na niya yung kanyang sarili by being, turning his self to a king. Okay? Kumbaga, in reality, marami ka ng pinagdaanan before na nagpatatag na sa'yo bilang the Emperor dito sa mga cards na to. Okay? And then, si Universe kasi, hindi ka rin naman niya hinahayaan mag-isa. Okay? And then, I have here the Queen of Wands. Some of you guys are dealing with this is a feminine energy. This is the lady. Okay? Siguro ang nasa edad siguro nasa edad to ang nasa edad, sorry. Siguro nasa edad to ng 37 to let's say 45, 43, something like that. Okay? Kasi parang parang single pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Okay? Kung hindi naman to yung kadil mo, probably, ikaw to. Energy mo to, Earth sign. Kung ikaw man babae na kausap ko ngayon, okay? Meron kang interest sa isang tao din. In the second card dito. Na kung saan, nakikita ko pamilyado na tong tao na to. Okay? Kasi pag ganun-ganon yung energy Pag ganun-ganon. Okay? Andito rin yung first card natin na naglalaro yung energy niya dito sa Queen of Wands. Na huwag mong hintayin na i-criticize ka rin ng ibang tao dahil dito sa nararamdaman mo dito sa may pamilyadong tao na to. Okay? Kasi parang nakikita ko dito parang boredom. Queen of Wands. Okay? Si Queen of Wands kasi, this is a happy-go-lucky woman. Okay? Kumbaga, hindi niya kasi iniisip kung ang papatulan niya ba ay isang pamilyadong tao. Okay? Para kasing ganito yung energy na napipil ko sa inyo. Okay lang yan, madam, kasi alam naman namin na hindi magiging kami in the future. Kumbaga, naka-ready kami for the discrimination, for the criticizing, and then ready kami for the karma. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na ganyan, okay? Kasi pag si universe ang nagbigay sa'yo ng karma, bonggang-bongga talaga yan. As in, papabaligtarin niya yung buong mundo mo. Okay? Kasi, alam mo na yung ibinabato mo. When I say ibinabato, yung ginagawa mo is mali. So, ang ibabalik niya rin sa'yo, baka maaari niyan triple pa sa ginagawa mo ngayon. Sabi nga, di ba, in universal law, okay, in sa ating batas pagdating kay universe, sa Tagalog, kumbaga, kung ano yung ginagawa mo, siya rin babalik sa'yo. Kung ano yung binato mo, yun din ang babalik sa'yo. Yun din ang ibabato sa'yo. Okay, ganun kasi si universe. Patas yung energy niya, patas yung laro. Okay? Kung nakikipaglaro ka sa kanya, mas lalo ka rin yan lalaroin. 'Di ba? Kasi parang nandito napipil ko. May may setup na nangyari na okay lang yan, alam naman natin may asawa ka eh. Okay lang yan kasi alam naman natin ano ka eh. Will be in the future ha. Kung hindi naman, nangyayari na to ngayon sa'yo, earth sign, okay? Sinasabi ko po lagi sa inyo, yung universal law natin, yung ating batas ni universe. Okay? Sa ngayon, nag-i-enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo. Paano in the future? Mag-i-enjoy ka pa rin ba? Kapag ka ang nag-take role na is si universe? Sa tingin mo? You can answer my question. Diba? You can answer my question by commenting down below. Okay? Kung gusto mong sagutin yung tanong ko, malaya kang mag-comment dyan. Kasi ako, what am I really saying to you is yung mali na ginagawa mo. You cannot make it right na alam mong mali. Hindi mo pwedeng gawin tama ang mali. Okay? Earth sign. Kasi pag ginawa mong tama ang mali, baluktot ka. Ganun yung realidad. Diba? So, dapat sumunod ka na lang sa patakaran ni universe. Diba? Kung ayaw mo mangyari sa'yo, huwag mong gawin sa iba. Hanggat maaga, magbago ka. Ganun yung pinpoint ko dito. Pinapaliwanag ko lang sa inyo yung execution ng bawat baraha. Ha? Kasi, we really don't know what are we doing as a human. Okay? Pero kapag ka tinanong mo si universe, ano nga ba pong ginagawa ko? Bakit nga ho ba ako na-in love dito sa tao na to kahit na may asawa? Kasi hinahayaan mo yung sarili mo. Hinahayaan mo, tinotolerate mo yung alam mong mali na kasi alam mo doon ka sasaya, doon ka pansamantalang makakahanap ng pagkalinga. Pag pansamantala lang yan eh, paano kung maubos na yan? Diba? Maubos na yung nakukuha mo sa kanyang benefits. Well, it's done. Sorry about that. Diba? So, I have here from the bottom of your deck, I said already, is the Ace of Wands. Okay? Ayan si Ace of Wands. This is requiring you to start a new beginning. A fresh new start. Pag sinabing fresh, bago, sariwa. Okay? Page of Swords. You have to fight. You have to not tolerate what are you doing. Okay? Huwag mong itolerate yung ginagawa mo. Okay? Kasi meron din tayo ditong Queen of Pentacles na kung saan sobra-sobra mong binibigay lahat na halos wala nang matira sa'yo with the Queen of Pentacles here and the Two of Swords na nagbubulag-bulagan ka na to the point na alam mong mali na. Okay? So, I have here the Chariot, the changing, the positive changing, you have take a action na i-end na yan kung ano man yung mali na ginagawa mo, kung ano man yung katoksika na yan. Okay? So, yun lang guys. And then, mag-ingat po tayong lahat palagi. God bless po and good luck.